picking up and you might get wet. She moves 100 miles an hour up and down the coast, hitting all the bars, breaking hearts and most. Better listen up, boys, to what I say. Look out for Hurricane Alice, she's headed your way. Well, she called me at the door of the Sandpiper Palace. She blew on my chassis and said, my name is Alice. Spun me round the dance floor till I got weak. Whisked me to the bar and she kissed me on the cheek. Then she disappeared and my only concession was a set of empty pockets from a tropical depression. She moves 100 miles an hour up and down the coast,